What are you saying?
Sound, bro?
That's not what you said.
I said, can we turn eating down, please?
Who's getting in pool first?
Me, please. I mean, we're not going cocktails, are we?
Oh, we probably are going to. I think, well.
Are we going to go out? Are we going to go out? We should definitely go out.
We should go for a drink.
I can't eat this thing, no.
Shit, I almost fell in at first.
That is a dragonfly. Oh, bless it.
Cool.
Oh, that is a beautiful dragonfly as well.
Still got his bag on. You get it?
Nope. I've got the fucking grasshopper like, but right, I want to look at this because this thing looks fucking intense. If it moves, I will cry. That is cool as shit, though. Look at that's a proper local. I mean, it looks like the ones from Bugs Life.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, the pricks, the wankers. Like it literally, he looks like that fucking. Anyway.
Come on, get the lizard. Well played, Gallus. Oh,
hello, buddy. Hello.
What a pudding.
Oh, a little gecko.
Oh my fucking god, dude.
What a man.
That's
hello.
so cute.
Oh, you are a little. Oh, you've got such beautiful little eyes. Wow. Come here, that. You want to go?
Yeah, bear with.
Do you want to go? Or do you want to hang around? Do you want to be my new best friend? I mean, I'll take him home. I'll put him in the suitcase, man. What a Donny boy. Look at him compared to my pinky. He's so small.
Oh, that is a sick boy.
He's a good little boy, eh?
I want to see his little.
Hold on.
What?
What? How do you do this like that?
Definitely too warm. Bit warm though.
The road surfaces are a lot softer, or the engines are a lot more. I don't know, man. Like when he said like, yeah, my van's a diesel. I was like, it's not fucking diesel, man. It sounds like an electric van. I was like, why is there no noise? It's soft. I don't know.
What do you think about the temperature?
It's fucking hot, man. I've got my tits out walking through the street. Do I know I've got what? The fuck do you say? I do know I have a t-shirt and a towel, yeah. I've got a towel to dab my fucking sweaty forehead. That really perfect sense.
Do I make you horny, baby?
Yeah. Look at that. Spanish.
Wall. Spanish wall.
Shoe. You had to put a shirt on.
Yeah, I don't like it, man.
You gutted, bro.
Yeah, I am, to be honest. I really enjoyed having my titties out in the street.
Your titties out.
Out.
Oh, that street looks nice. Jim looks like a local, don't you, Jim? Alright, cool.
How are you, cunt? Come here. Wait.
Oh, you go on the wall!
One, two, three.
Extreme! Alright, we're going for a cut.
all. Tim's over here. POV chick cam.
Oh, chicken.
Chick cam.
It is very, very warm. It is very warm. It's too warm. But here we go. It's really exciting, isn't it? It's great content. Here we are, first morning. Woo!
Go boot Tim, so I go down.
Yeah, go do boom.
Can't eat it back. Oh.
A 2-hour drive back. An hour on the bus back to yours.
That was that same weekend, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, stop bitching. Hang on. Right, we're walking from La Villa to La Beach. Danzler.
In Spanish, not in French.
Danzler.
That's French.
Yeah, but what's the next word?
I don't know.
Beach.
Playa. Not farming. I don't really feel like it at the minute.
Come on,
All
bro.
about your fucking almonds.
Why won't you tell us what you got, Tim?
We've got an almond.
He's got an almond.
Almond, look at it there.
Oh, that's so cool. Thanks, Tim. I really appreciate when you share cool shit with me. Thank you.
End up in like the fucking narrowest street. Your perception of where you are is on the top left of another car in the mirror. So once they just fold it in, definitely not good immersed up there.
Hello.
Go on, you've got this. Yeah! That's so cool. No way.
That was sick.
That was sick. We're gonna go back to weed. But yeah, we just went to a spa and it was great. One of the greatest spa experience of our life.
Shop. Absolutely.
Yeah, honestly, boss man selection of drinks are insane. I've got a cherry.
Mallorca lighter.
Oh, did you got a lighter?
Oh, yeah, I did.
I ain't got a lighter. I didn't see any lighters. Oh,
Yeah.
fucking A, bro. That's so cool. Wish I had one of them. I'm not even being sarcastic. I want one. I want one. I'm going to have to buy a lighter.
Tone of voice, bro.
We're just putting on some clothes to go inside the establishment.
Wow, feels nasty.
I can't believe 3 of them are what here in fucking t-shirts.
Yeah, I don't know how they've done that.
I've managed to get out sweating loads, but only because I didn't have a t-shirt. Shouldn't really wear a camouflage boonie going in there either, but whatever.
We'll put that on a loser.
He hasn't got a head. Cheers, bro.
No worries. Inside.
Look at paprika leg, bro. Inside. Let's find this place. I need to put my GoPro there, so I'll update your hour and we're just gonna go do it. Oh, that was so good. Look, there's some hats, man. They're not fake Gucci yet. You do need a cap, bro. I'm not even taking piss. Right, Chinese, right, English people everywhere.
A hat.
That genuinely might actually go quite hard for you.
Ah.
Yeah, like ironically, it's Under Armour in it, but that suits you completely.
Inside.
So Dom's got a fucking sick hat, and we went to the Sensitive Cafe, whatever the fuck. Mate, it was great. It was well good. I well enjoyed that. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was sick, man.
It was really cool. That's it. Proper novel.
Yeah.
It's better than like.
Experience.
It's better than finding a hash, man. He's a hash man.
Not quite taxi driver in Croatia.
Shout out the taxi driver in Croatia. He was an actual legend.
Yeah.
Palm trees. People watching here is great.
It is, isn't it?
Really exciting. I don't know, like, it's just Brits abroad. I've never seen Brits abroad.
There you go, check it around about a boat.
Sam. If you asked me what were happening, I'd say I don't really know.
It's all a bit, I feel like I don't know what it is. In other words?
Just had this desire to just check all my pockets and make sure I've got everything.
That's what's going
Dom,
coming up in mounds, man.
you are covered in bites.
Coming in mounds. Yeah. I got one at middle at forehead. Not middle at bridge, sorry. And I got a lot of it back and all. But we're on holidays.
We're on holidays, so it's fine, isn't it?
So we're fine.
Ooh, crack it open, baby. I already had one. I'm on my second.
Chin chin.
Out to report, boys.
Shoulders are a bit burnt, but we're here. Bit overcast, but
Warm.
Not too bothered now.
Nah,
It's still warm.
still very warm. Did you not? Did you put more sun cream on after you came out at sea?
No.
Well, you should have done.
I should have done it.
You should have done.
I even put some mozzie repellent.
Oh, he's a good boy, isn't he?
That's a move.
Well, you should have creamed up again, son. Should have creamed up again.
Thanks, then. I didn't do that.
It's not too late. It's not too late.
Not too late. Do you reckon I should?
I reckon we should help each other out. We helped each other out, didn't we, son?
I helped Shiggy out and all. With his fucking pouch.
You went helping
of
out,
sun
did you,
cream.
pal? It sounded really gay,
I
man.
thought it was like a yogurt.
What? What?
I thought it had like a yogurt, like
It does look like a protein.
I've got like an
Oh,
aerosol.
it's sun cream on.
It's half gone though, that aerosol that I've got. And it cost me 15
I thought you were going to say 50.
bits.
You know? Euros or sterling.
Yeah, it's still a lot there. Can I draw it for you?
My forehead.
Right onto there.
That's from fucking. That's been there for weeks. That now.
Thanks very much, though.
I love you.
I really appreciate it. I love you too. See me sunburn?
I've seen your sexy face.
I'll kiss you. You got Bob. Look at that gum.
Where are you coming?
Inside. Pants after this. Yeah, the boss on that one.
That's nice, that.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I love the titties.
That's the best stage.
It's time to retire.
Downhill from there, though.
Oh, it's kindly, man. Cheers. Hiya.
Menu card?
Yes, please. Thank you. I'm gonna get a New York sour, I think. I've no idea what it is. Amaretto sour. I'm getting an amaretto sour. I'm getting an amaretto sour.
Dolce vita.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going. I thought I might have to press like the button again, but it's going. What? Where are you? Oh, you're there.
It's alright, is that, to be fair?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Little viewfinder. There's some
What do you want it, Tim?
B-roll.
There you go. Just let him know that I was stinging.
I feel like you're exaggerating, though. It's not that bad.
What?
A bit red.
It's a bit, it's right.
Oh wow.
Shit. Look at that. There's a biscuit, man. You putting sugar in? Yeah. fucking all mental.
I love sugar, mate.
Get some of the condensed milk first, 'cause it's really sweet.
This is the smallest latte I've ever had.
Condensed milk's not like that. Bum bum.
Would you rather have condensed milk or evaporated milk?
Condensed.
Whole.
Not wrong.
Skim, mate.
I got a fucking cocktail out there.
Have cheese with my cracker.
Shit, that is good.
Can't call them that.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking awesome. All can do.
No, climbing amber.
I'm genuine. Hot drink like
Get
this
your-
feels weird though.
Get your finger in there and get the condensed milk out. It's insane. Yeah, I'll do it, pal. Fucking hell.
Thank you.
Cocktail Dolce Vita.
Thank you very much. Can I get a higher for the boy?
Inside.
What a dickhead. You are fit, to be fair. Right, it's food time. We ate, it was fine. That's all I've got to say about that. Dal was let down with his squid, it was shit. But you know, whatever, we'll keep moving. We're nearly back at Villa now. Jumping pool, life will be cushy.
Inside.